LEONARDO is a modern WordPress theme for independent hotels, B&Bs, and holiday rentals. It is fast, fully responsive, and mobile-friendly. Thanks to its powerful features and the full support for the new block editor, LEONARDO can help you build a professional website for your property. Let's begin. This is what a website created with LEONARDO can look like. Even absolute beginners can create a website like this. At the top of the website, there is an optional bar with some block-enabled widgets. The demo has social icons to the left and contact information to the right. The header displays the site logo and the primary menu. It has several options for you to choose from. The main menu can be to the right of the logo, it can be split into two menus on both sides, or it can be displayed below the logo. In either case, the header can be on top of a slideshow that comes after it. If it is overlaid like that, you can select the desired background and you can enable a blur effect. Every page can display a large featured image or a slideshow. To enable the slideshow, simply edit your page and select some images in the custom slideshow gallery. The website footer can display up to 5 block-enabled widgetized columns. Using blocks, you have all the necessary tools to create a footer that will match your needs. And finally, there are 2 more menus in the footer. LEONARDO was developed to work with a new WordPress block editor. Let's look at one of our pages. This page has a paragraph block, a heading, a list, and a gallery. The block editor makes it easy to rearrange blocks or even create unique content layouts. LEONARDO includes many custom block patterns, with more to be added in the future. You can use these block patterns to quickly create unique pages, with all the flexibility of using blocks. A good example is the Rooms and Suites page. This is just one of the many ways you can present your room types. And this is how this page was created. A paragraph, a columns block, a spacer, and then 4 groups with separators between them. Each room is presented using one of the available block patterns. The same is true for the Packages page, where a different block pattern is used. You can mix and match all these block patterns according to your own requirements. LEONARDO adds a custom style to the standard gallery block. Select the gallery slideshow style to replace the standard gallery with a slideshow. Now let's see what is available in the customizer. In the Site Identity panel, you can upload your website logo. The most important options are in the Theme Settings panel. In General Options, the theme style can be boxed or full width. The sidebar can be on the left, on the right, or no sidebar at all. Even though the theme looks best without a sidebar, you have the option of enabling or disabling the sidebar on specific pages. This can be done from the Custom Options meta box. In the customizer, there are also some options for your blog pages and archives. In the Quick Styling section of the Theme Fonts panel, you can change the 3 default fonts. These fonts can be used in the block editor for all paragraphs and headings. Fonts are automatically downloaded and are hosted locally. This improves performance and is compliant with GDPR requirements. You can also make smaller changes to different parts of a website without having to write any code. Similar options are available in the Theme Colors panel. And finally, Leonardo comes with a one-click demo import feature. You can quickly import the theme demo with all the content, widgets, and custom settings. A lot of time and effort went into making Leonardo easy to use even for beginners. It works right out of the box and does not require any plugins. Leonardo includes one-click theme updates directly from the dashboard. You will receive a notification every time a theme update is available. Quick and friendly support by email and Skype is available to all Leonardo users with an active license. And because you watched this video until the end, you earned an exclusive discount code for your first purchase of Leonardo. Thank you for watching, and please get in touch if you have any questions.